There are a lot of methods out there to help you learn the most effective ways to advertise your business. Some work, most don't. Unfortunately, most methods promise the world but just don't deliver on helping and teaching you to get the results that you want. But what if there were a guide that would very quickly get the results you're wanting? Not just for the short term, but for the long term too. Not only that, but helping you learn the correct mindset and knowledge in advertising methods for your business, so you can see the results you've been wanting. If you're planning to start advertising your business or have started and failing in the process, then you need a guide that can provide you with everything to help you succeed. So let me introduce you to Advertising Your Business, a guide that's jam-packed with tried and tested methods so you can see results fast. There are so many products available in teaching you how to advertise your business, making it a challenge to know what the best solution is for you. These resources can be helpful, and it's a great idea to research each one of them to know what will work best for you and what methods you should use. But what you're needing is a convenient, all-in-one resource that will help you to become more knowledgeable in this subject before you begin. That's why this new guide, all about advertising your business the correct way, is a guide that covers all these topics in one. This is an easy-to-follow guide, and anyone can use it to start learning everything there is to know about this subject. So whether you've already tried advertising your business or planning to start, then this product will guide you through the main principles to help you master everything there is to know about this subject. Don't wait and end up missing out. Grab your copy now by clicking the button below to gain instant access today.